art, best thing we know ever comes to humans is desire to express ourselves totally, completely, absolutely. And we do this by some actions. And this action is called art. Art is come with very deep in with us. And normally we usually think about art is music, painting, and some other thing which are usually people use when they talk about art. But art has no boundary that this is only type of things are called art. Science is also art, and we don't have to be too rigid about it, because beauty in art is that there are no boundary in art. And in science is what is that we try to push the boundary. That is the main difference. And art is come very deep within us. And if we are we can overcome from anything through art, anything mental, emotional, psychological. And even the even two purest artists, greatest artist of all time, and greatest scientist of all time, they all are deeper loners. Even they socialize less, or no, that is I'm not knowing, but they love their loneliness. And if we even listen to scientists, their invention, and they are in the zone of art. They are proper artist, pure artist. And like what artists do, we get a topic or a zone, and we go deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper in the zone, and we become that zone. And we just flow, we just flow from completely, and we become that zone. Everything we experience, every experience we have from our past, and we put everything into art. And we put our imagination into art, we put all the scars we have into our art. See, art is not a boundary. There are many things in us, there are many things we don't like to tell to anyone, but through art we express everything. We express everything. We used to love that music. There are too many pain in the music, and because we can relate with that our pain, we listen to some music, and these are too painful, and we can relate, and we heal sometime, and we feel we have a company. So this type of art, poet write poems, so we feel connected, we feel it is also healing us. So same with poems, same with music, and same in the science. Science is pure art. We don't have, when I'm talking about that science is art, we don't have to become too rigid about what I'm saying. We just have to be open-minded here. What I'm trying to say, that science is art. Anyone who experience can understand easily. Even in Ramanujan used to say that he used to say that he get direct result. We don't know how to prove it. So it is also form of art. And many artists and many scientists also use the term art, and many scientists use the term God in their language. Many scientists use the term God, like Einstein and too many. So art is a too deep thing. We don't know where it's come from, but it comes from deep within us. And from my experience, I say that everyone should discover what is the way to express themselves, because everyone has different way to express themselves totally, completely, and absolutely. So I personally, I am not advising anyone, because everyone has their own mind and they can think best for themselves. But personally, I think that everyone should discover the way they can express their self totally, completely, absolutely at their best. They should discover their art. Some people can music, some people can dance, some people can do public speaking, some people can play cricket, some people can play soccer, or whatever. But all the emotions we have, all the emotions, anger, frustration, imaginations, love, every emotion we have, because it is important for we become light, so we express everything. So art is a way of doing that. So I'm just saying that everyone should find the way to express themselves. So we can be we can be always light in life, happy in life. So if we are expressing ourselves regularly, we become more and more light, more and more happy, and more easy with life. But if we don't express ourselves, we are are always increasing our thought, and we become too blocked and too stuck in our mind. That is frustrating thing. So I think that everyone should have to discover the way to express themselves totally, completely, and absolutely. Everyone has to discover their art, because everyone has different way of expressing themselves. Everyone has different experience in life. So art has no boundary, art has no limitation that this is called art, this is called art. Whatever you feel you call like art, this is art. Find your art, man, find your art. I find your art, I find my art, you find your art. Make a world happy, living and healing place, beautiful. Find your art, please.